Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and sour pork, and I'm going to show you step by step that easy to follow. So here is my pork, and I have a pork and I cut into cube pieces, and this pork is around 200 grams. And now I'm going to put this my seasoning seed here, around one tablespoon. Just put like that. And I'm going to put here my white pepper. I'm going to put around a pinch of it. Just put in like that. Yeah. And I'm going to put some of garlic powder inside here. Around pinch of it too. Coming out this one. So now it's okay. So now I'm going to put one teaspoon of baking soda. You have the soap, is more soap. Make a mix soap. And what I'm going to do, I mix all this. I mix with all the ingredients I put in. So now I make it well, I leave it aside, and now I'm going to make a sauce, sweet and sour sauce. So here is my ingredient for the sweet and sour sauce. Here in the bowl I have 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of chili paste. This is optional. If you don't like chili, you don't need to put it. And here I have 1 tablespoon of white sugar. You can also use brown sugar. And here 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of corn flour and some water. So now I'm going to put all my ingredients in the bowl. So I've been put 2 tablespoons of cold water in my bowl. So now I'm going to mix all together to make everything well together. So I'm stir it until the lump gets smooth, no lump. So just keep stirring until smooth all come together. So here is ready. This is my soy all come smooth. And then now I'm leave it aside, and I'm going to make a butter for the chicken. So now let's make the butter for the pork. So I have a bowl and have to stir everything, and here is my ingredient. I have a half cup of plain flour. I put in my bowl here, and quarter cup of corn flour. Put all in my bowl here. One egg. And half cup of water. And I'm going to put around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So now I'm going to make it together until everything coming together smoothly. The butter. Keep make it until all going together smooth. No lump. So I'm going to use this one. So now my butter is smooth and coming together, and now I'm going to cook to deep fry the pork. So now let's fry the pork. I have here is my pot with the oil, around 3 cups of oil, and I heat it up in high heat, and now I turn to medium. This is very hot oil. So now I'm going to put my pork I seasoned early into my butter here. And I'm going to mix well with my butter. Like this. The butter going to my pork. So now I'm going to put one by one pork into my hot oil. So I add all my pork into the frying pot. So now I'm going to stir it. I'm going to turn the pork over. Let the pork cook nicely. To fry this pork until all sides golden brown. So now my pork all is become golden brown. I turn off the heat and I take it out from my pot. You can see all sides golden brown. So I'm put in here. So now you can see all golden on all of the sides. So now I'm going to put aside. So now let me cooking the sauce. So now I'm going to cook the sauce and veggies. So the last step is here is my veggie, and I have half of yellow pepper, half of green pepper, and half of red pepper, and one small size of onion, and one piece of pineapple, and one small piece, one piece of cucumber. So I cut all sides in the cube, and I don't have the pineapple in the jam, so I use in fresh one. If you have in the jam, you can also use it. And here is my garlic and ginger, and I have around 3 pieces of garlic and one small size of piece of ginger. So here I have a wok. So I am going to put cooking oil, around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in here. And I'm going to put my garlic and ginger into my wok. To stir fry this around couple minutes to let a good smell coming up. So my garlic coming very good smell and start a little bit brown now. I'm going to put all my veggies in my wok. And give stir fry around couple minutes. To stir fry it, the veggie a little bit soften. So now my veggie around 2 to 3 minutes. I stir fry now, become a little bit soft. So I'm going to put my pork that I deep fry early into my wok. Cook it well with the veggie. And now I'm going to put my sauce that I made early for all over in here. And I'm going to add a little bit water into my cup. And I'm going to cook well together. So I'm going to turn it off the flame. And the last thing I'm going to put my coriander leaf. You can also put a spring onion if you have, but I prepare my onion or my coriander. So I'm going to right here. We got a good more smell. And so my sweet and sour pork are done. So here is my sweet and sour pork, and it is good to eat with rice. And I hope you enjoy my video and see you soon. Bye.